Hello, today we are
guys.
talking about what mom specifically eats for $20 a week. Yes, that is just $80 a month and doesn't matter how many times we talk about this. People do not believe she actually eats this food for $20 a week while living on Social Security. Yes, you do not have to have a big grocery budget. Even if you're living on Social Security, you can save money on groceries. So I had mom for a week take pictures of everything she ate so that we have photographic proof of the payday candy bars.
Of the payday candy bars, huh?
Okay, so we're gonna get started. So tell us about what your breakfasts usually are. This is a picture of your scrambled eggs. And what do you eat for breakfast?
Although scrambled eggs is usually for my lunch. But,
okay.
But for breakfast, every single morning, I eat 4 graham crackers and a cup of coffee. I just do that automatically. I don't get bored with it. With chronic fatigue syndrome, I don't have to think. And it's very simple. I don't have to do any cooking or anything. And so that's why I have that every single morning.
Okay, so graham crackers and coffee is all you have for breakfast every day.
Yeah.
Every single
And I buy
day.
the cheapest graham crackers that I can get. So every single day.
Okay, then for lunch, we have eggs here, and it looks like maybe broccoli with some potatoes. Maybe that's dinner. And it looks like maybe a tuna salad, maybe tomato soup with crackers, a ham sandwich maybe. What do you eat for lunch, Mother?
Well, I usually interchange lunch and dinners. You know, sometimes I'll have a bigger dinner type meal at lunch and then just have the leftovers from it for dinner that night, supper that night.
So you have a picture of eggs here. Is that all you had for lunch was eggs?
Yes.
Okay, and then you had a picture of potatoes with some dip, and it looks like maybe some broccoli with some cheese and cauliflower with some cheese possibly mixed together. And then it looks like you maybe had a tuna salad sandwich.
Yeah.
And
usually
orange juice.
one sandwich is enough, and then I had it with a glass of orange juice. So I've got a perfectly well-balanced meal there. You know, I've got the tuna, which is the protein and all that. I've got the starch, which are my bread, and then I've got the orange juice, so that's my fruit for the...
And tomato soup with crackers.
That's a good lunch and supper both for me.
Okay, then it looks like we've got snacks here, real healthy snacks. We have payday candy bars. Please explain how you justify a payday candy bar.
It has peanuts in it, so it's healthy.
There you go.
And fat, so that fills me up then, see, so I don't overeat.
And it looks like marshmallows and cottage cheese.
Yeah, if I don't feel good for lunch, I'll just fix me a large bowl of, you know, like 1 or 2 servings of cottage cheese with marshmallows. Sometimes I'll sprinkle a little powdered Jell-O in there, or have tomato chopped up, something like that.
Looks like some dried apples.
That's a snack. Yeah,
Okay.
I'll eat dried apples for snacks.
And what is cheese and crackers? Is that a snack or lunch?
That's lunch.
Okay. And then it looks like you have pinwheels for lunch, I assume, or dinner.
That's usually for lunch.
And cashews and a banana.
That's probably 2 snacks for me. You know, the cashews would be in the morning, and the banana would be in my afternoon snack, or evening snack. I usually only have about 2 snacks a day, because when I eat the graham crackers in the morning, it satisfies me so much. I can even almost forget lunch because it'll be noon or 12:30. I'm thinking, oh dear, it's lunchtime. But there's something about the graham crackers with a little bit of butter spread on them that fills me up.
Okay, and then this looks like toast with orange juice. Is that breakfast or is that a snack?
It's probably lunch.
Lunch, okay. And then it looks like we have just a banana.
That's snack.
And then we have what looks like roast beef possibly. Did you have leftover roast beef? Probably
Yes.
from us, from one
I was
thing.
gonna say I got that from Tara.
So that's a dinner,
Yeah,
I
and
assume?
handful of cheese crackers. And see, I put the cheese crackers on I had these little tiny square plates, and that's what I do with my snacks. I'll grab me a hand of chips sometimes, not too often chips, but the cheese crackers, and put them on the plate, and then that's all I eat. I don't carry the whole bag or the whole box, because you eat way more than you need to if you do it that way.
Yep. And then next, it looks like we have toast with maybe a fried egg and some maybe blueberries or blackberries, maybe.
Like, is that cranberry sauce?
Oh, cranberry sauce.
Cranberry sauce, yeah. And that's for my supper.
Okay. And then it looks like we have peanut butter toast with maybe an egg.
Yeah, that would be lunch.
And then peanut butter crackers with more cranberry sauce, possibly.
Mm-hmm.
And then it looks like a cup of coffee with 2 cookies.
Yes, that was my snack.
So you ate this for a whole week. Mom maintains the calories. I mean, probably around 1,500, 1,200, 1,500 calories. You're not active. You're not a construction worker needing more calories.
That tall, or that big of a person.
And so she stays within her calorie count. She's not overeating. Even, listen, I'm really sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but even I get ladies all the time, oh, my construction working husband needs meat at every meal or whatever. Okay, that's fine. But the majority of the time that I see pictures of these people, they are significantly overweight.
Mm-hmm.
Hate to tell you, you might be in construction, but if you're overweight in construction, you are eating too much food. If you are overweight at all, you're eating too much food.
Yeah.
And so mom just makes sure that she eats the proper portions and doesn't overeat, and is not eating all day long.
That's the whole secret. The 2 things I do and have done for years and years is 2 things. I do portion control, do the right serving, portion control / serving, right serving, and then I use up all my food. I don't waste any of it. And if you start doing that, I'm so excited, because I've been teaching this for years, and it's just like it's gone over the top of everybody's head. And for some reason, the past 2 years, all of a sudden, people are so excited because they've actually been doing this. And they said, not only did I save on my grocery bill, but I lost weight. I mean, we're getting emails and comments and everything of people doing this. And if you think about it, a lot of people that try to lose weight, that go on all these different diets and stuff like Jenny Craig and Nutrisystem or Weight Watchers, any of them. And I got to thinking, they say on these diets you can eat anything you want, and I thought, well, okay, why are these working? Why do people want to do these diets? And I watched the commercials for them.
Because the serving sizes are
It's got the serving sizes, the portion control. Like
the cinnamon roll is this big, not this big.
Yeah, they have the right and I watched this for a long time, and I thought, that's what it is. Why is everybody not just doing their own portion control? And you'd save so much money,
Okay, so speaking of money, you went to the grocery store this week and you spent...
I did. People say, how can you do $20 a week? Now, this week, this is all I bought this week at the grocery store. It was everything that was on sale. I got a tomato, a banana, and 2 things of milk. And it was $3.70.
Yeah, because the milk was 97 cents on sale.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And I forget what these were.
Well, whatever $3, how much was it?
$3.70.
So whatever $3.70 minus $2 is. So $1.70. Wow, that's actually expensive. $1.70 for a banana.
I'm missing something.
For a banana and a strawberry, or a tomato. That's really expensive.
I was thinking. I think there's something else I bought, and I can't remember what it was. I put it away in the refrigerator. I just grabbed these up.
Okay. Well, as I'm editing this, if she remembers what it is, I'll put it up there.
There was one other something I got, but I can't remember. But I was going to show you this too. I got the smallest tomato, and I got the smallest banana, because that way I didn't have to pay as much for them, and it's 1 serving. Well, actually, this I'll use for 2 servings. I don't eat a whole tomato, even one this small.
So where's the rest of the food that you're going to eat this week?
Well, and then last week I spent $25, but I only spent $3.70 this week. Next week I might spend $15. It just depends.
Or $40
I have my pantry that I keep stocked with things on sale all the time. And that's why 2 things of milk, there's no way I'm going to drink 2 things of milk this week. This will be a month's worth of milk for me. This milk is.
Just put one in the freezer if you don't want to. Although Mom found out the milk in the cartons actually lasts longer than in the plastic jugs. And
I don't know why that was. I kept I was buying the plastic jugs because they were like 10 cents cheaper on sale. And it kept souring on me. Even when I put it in the freezer, it'd sour up very quickly. Where then I went and got these one time, or twice now.
Wow.
And for some reason, this will last, even without putting in the freezer, it'll last me.
You guys are watching this later, but today is June 21st, and these don't expire till July 4th.
Yeah.
And milk goes at least a week past the expiration date.
Oh yeah, I've had 2 weeks.
So,
so.
This will go almost an entire month, not quite.
Without even freezing it.
Yeah.
And I only use about half of one of these a week, maybe, if that much. So.
Yeah. And so by buying when things are on sale and keeping your pantry and your freezer and refrigerator stocked with items that are on sale and only eating what's on sale, notice Mom didn't make out a menu and then go to the grocery store and buy whatever she wants. She didn't even make out a menu and go buy what's on sale. She just keeps her pantry and her refrigerator and freezer stocked, and then she just eats from what she has with that, and then when it's on sale, she just replenishes.
I just remembered what else I got. I got a head of lettuce too.
Oh, okay.
A head of lettuce with that. I knew
Well, how much was the lettuce? Because lettuce is $2 at Walmart right now.
Was $1.29.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got it for $1. That's why I bought
I need to
it.
go get me some, man.
Well, it
was a
went
good
off
deal.
yesterday.
Oh. Well, now I know.
So, but
Okay.
see, now I can take this home, and I've got the lettuce, and I've got a little bit of ham and tortillas, so I'll make me wraps, you know, and things like that. So
you guys wanted to know what Mom actually eats for a week. There you go. And recipes like the fried egg, those are in our Dining on a Dime cookbook, 25% off right now. It will help you cut your grocery bill, but we make easy meals that use simple ingredients, not a whole bunch of froofy stuff, no shiitake mushrooms, nothing like that. Go check it in the description below. It's 25% off right now. Go watch this video next. Mom talks about how she lives on $750 a month on Social Security. Visit us at livingonadime.com, and we will see you guys next time.
bye-bye, guys.